Hey everybody, this is Stick. I just want to sit there and tell you guys something real quick before I get started on anything. It's probably going to take about maybe just 2 minutes at the most, and if you could please do me just one favor and just listen to it all the way through, you'll never have to do it again, and you'll really understand a lot. Before I tell you this, don't get me wrong. I believe in the mess, or as I call it, controlled chaos. I don't clean up anything except dirt and germs. My whole existence is built around 24/7 inspiration. What I mean is, when I'm doing something, all I have to do is just take an unexpected glance and see something and get an idea mixed with what the current project I'm on. Same might go for you. While I'm working on something, you might happen to just glance over and see something that happened to be on my desk, and all of a sudden, I guarantee you, when you least expect it, you'll have an epiphany, and you'll be like, "Man, that's freaking awesome." But that's pretty much just the way that I am. I'm clean, I take baths and all that stuff. But when you look around my house, you'll see it's just chaos, but it's a controlled chaos. It's my controlled chaos. I know where everything's at, and even if I don't know where it's at, looking for it and finding it is the memories.
I hope you're not
It's just awesome.
squeamish, but this is what it looks like to be 5'10", with a bag, 114 pounds, with stage 4 colorectal cancer that has spread to my lungs, which is funny because I don't smoke, but I am a welder by trade. But that's what it looks like when you are about to die.